guys, my name is Jo Ashley and this is my channel. I do videos on makeup, motherhood, cooking, lifestyle, basically anything that I like or tend to do a lot. Today's video is a $10 meal video. I'm gonna break down the price like before this so that you guys can see what I mean, how it's $10. Today we're gonna be making generic as F beef enchiladas. This is my take on them. I'm not Mexican, I'm Puerto Rican. I'm married to a Mexican American and his family's Mexican. However, I've never learned anything regarding cooking from them. I wish that I can, but they live either 7 hours away or deep in Mexico. So this is basically what I have gathered around the people that I live in. I live literally 10 minutes from the border, but these are generic enchiladas. These are not like made from the canned fresh Mexican enchiladas. These are basically what I have gathered them to be. Oh my gosh, this is getting really hot really fast. Okay, so I'm gonna make this video nice and short. I'm not gonna do too much detail. I will tell you what I season them in on the side. Today we're gonna be using enchilada sauce, and this is red mild enchilada sauce, and we're gonna be using 2 of them. We're gonna be using this from H-E-B, which is beef meat, and this is the 96% lean. Also, tortillas. I like to use corn tortillas for my enchiladas. I think you should use corn tortillas. I've seen some other people use not corn tortillas, but I do. Sorry guys, my children interrupted me again. They're homesick from school. Okay, so I left off on the tortillas. I'm also gonna use plain Jane Mexican cheese and some mozzarella, and we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna be searing the meat in the cast iron. This is oil, and this is what I'm gonna be putting the tortillas in. So let's do the meat first, okay? I will go ahead. This has fat, it has 4% fat, so we don't need any type of oil to cook this in. Over here, guys, I have yellow Puerto Rican rice making. Maybe I can go ahead and give you guys a tutorial on that. Super easy. I have always a trash bin. I hate making a mess when I cook. I'm gonna make seasoning it with adobo. That's like the yellow. I'm gonna add pepper. While this is making, I'm gonna go ahead and get my enchilada sauce. Preheat your oven to 350 to 275. Meat is already cooked. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this to the side. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna get it. Y'all, this is hot. I'm gonna roll it. And don't worry, the sauce is gonna go on top. And we're gonna repeat that process. Like, if I would have put less meat on them, I would have been able to get 2 more, fill them up with meat and cheese, but this is the way it is. And so far I've only used 1 can. You can also, guys, if you really like the way the enchilada sauce tastes, before you fry them in there, you cover them with it and then you fry them, and it'll give them like that texture. But my boys don't, so this is what I usually do. And I am literally just going to cover them. And I am just gonna make them. And guys, here they are done. I forgot to mention, make sure you put this on and warm them up on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes.